a few weeks before you make your garden, collect the mushrooms, chop off the stem butts, and then you're going to need a couple of different things. You're going to need some toilet rolls, and you're going to need some corrugated cardboard. This is just off a box, nothing special. And finally, you're going to need some plastic bags. This is a recycled sandwich bag, but any plastic bag will work. So once you've harvested the mushrooms, you're going to you bring them into your kitchen and chop off just the last inch or 2 or 3 centimetres from the bottom of the mushroom. And you can break them up a little bit if you like, or you can keep them whole. Now, soak the cardboard in just some warm water for a little while until it delaminates, so you can peel it apart and get that corrugated cardboard on the inside. Now, just tightly roll up the stem butts inside that corrugated cardboard and then slip them into the toilet roll. The toilet roll should be soaked as well, so it's nice and damp. Then seal the whole thing in that sandwich bag. Now, just put it somewhere warm, not really hot, but somewhere room temperature in your house, and leave it for a few weeks. Now, during those few weeks, what will happen is the mycelium will leap off that stem butt, the little part of the mushroom stem, and it'll start growing through the cardboard. It's searching for food, and it's actually eating that cardboard. So during that time, that mycelium will do 2 things. 1, it'll get a bit stronger than just the stem butt by itself. But 2, it'll kind of change modes. It'll go into this exploring mode where it's trying to run through the substrate that it's growing in, trying to look for the boundaries of its new world. So it'll run out in these beautiful tendrils through all the substrate that it's buried in, trying to find the limits. And then once it's found those limits and it's met too much competition, it'll build a barrier and try to hold on to that ground, and then will start to digest all that wood chip and straw, if you like. So it's in the right mode when it's growing in that little plastic bag. It sort of gets it ready.